Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class, we will discuss the remaining portion of exercise 3.1 and question number 1 we discussed the previous video. You can check out this video. Okay, so let us understand the question number 2. So question number 2 is saying here, on comparing the ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equation intersecting at a point, parallel or coincident. So first question is there, we have given two pair of linear equation and we have to compare their ratio A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 and find out whether this pair of linear equation is intersecting at a point or parallel or coincident. So let us start with question number 1. So here we have to find out the ratio A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So what is A1 by A2, what is B1 by B2 and what is C1 by C2? Let us discuss this topic. So if I write a general equation, pair of linear equation, if I write A1x plus B1y plus C1 equals to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals to 0. These are the standard form of linear equation and these two pair of linear equation. So here A1 means the coefficient of x, B1 means coefficient of y and C1 is the constant term. And in this case the A2 is coefficient of x, B2 is coefficient of y and C2 is the constant term. So basically we have to compare A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 from the each question. So following this general equation of linear equation, we are going to find A1 by E2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 for the each equation. So if I write A1 by A2 for the question number 1, we will write 5 by 7 coefficient of x in this equation and A2 is coefficient of x in the second equation. Next, if I write B1 by B2, if I write, so minus 4 and B2 is here 6. If we cut these 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, we got minus 2 by 3. And C1 by C2 is plus 8 by minus 9. That is 8 by 9. So here A1 by A2 is 5 by 7, B1 by B2 is minus 2 by 3 and C1 by C2 is 8 by 9. So that means we are getting A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 and not equal to C1 by C2. So this condition following that this pair of linear equation have only one solution, that is intersecting at a point, unique solution. It has unique solution and the graphical representation is intersecting at a point. So we will write these pair of linear equations are intersect at a point. So this is our required solution. For the second questions, we are going to find the ratios A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So A1 means here 9 and here 18. And if I simplify that, 9 1 to 9, 9 2 is 8, that is 1 by 2. And B1 by B2 equals to 3 by 6. So 3 by 6, that is 3 1 by 3 1 to 3, 3 to 6, it is 1 by 2. And C1 by C2 is equals to 12 by 24 plus 12 and 20 plus 24. 12 1 is 12 2 is, that is 1 by 2. Here we are getting A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. So in this condition saying that this pair of linear equation have no solution and graphical representation is, this is parallel lines. Okay, so these pair of linear equations uh, are parallel, representing parallel lines. So this is the required solution for the question number 2. For the question number 3, a1 by a2 equals to 6 by 2. 6 by 2, and if I cancel that, 2 3 is a 6 and 2 1 ja, that is 3 by 1, and in this case b1 by b2, that is minus 3, and this is minus 1, that is 3 by 1, and c1 by c2 equals to 10 by 9. So 10 by 9 is 10 by 9. So in this case we are getting a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, and these conditions shows that these pair of linear equations are representing coincident line, and if I say graphical interpretation, algebraic interpretation, these have many solutions. These pair of linear equations have many solutions, and graphically these are coincident. So these pair of linear equations are coincident. This is the required answer for the question number 3.